Today we're making breakfast casserole. Let's go! 1 pound of bacon. I get turkey sausage links and then I cut them up, just like this. Put up 1 onion and 1 green pepper. Your onion, your green pepper, and that sausage down. Make sure you spill it all over the place. It's required. Now I know this might be controversial, but I don't use cream and I don't use water. I use country gravy. Why? Because I'm a fat. Get you a baker's dozen of eggs, whisk them up. Put your veggies in the bowl. Sausage in the bowl. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, salt, and pepper. Add you some red pepper flakes. Now while you're waiting for that bacon to cook, get you a 9x13 and butter it up. Get yourself a pound of hash browns, put them in. Do you remember that country gravy? This, pour it in there, baby. Now give it a big stir. I'm gonna add 3/4 of a bag of cheddar cheese. And reserve some of it to put on top at the end. Now grab your buttered dish and put this all in there. Make sure you spread this out evenly so it cooks evenly. This is what it looks like. I just took it out. I'm gonna add cheese on the top.
Which is the snapdragon.